Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can refresh your metadata of your NFT. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, you need to create an NFT in order to refresh your metadata, because refreshing metadata means refreshing your NFT's information. Alright, so make sure to create an NFT if you want to do that. But if you already have an NFT but you just don't know how to refresh your metadata, then you guys are at the right video. Now before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to OpenSea.io, log in into your OpenSea account. Once you do that, hover your mouse on top of your profile and click on My Collections, and all the NFT you have created is going to be shown over here. And over here, click on the collection of whom you want to refresh the metadata. Scroll a bit down, choose the NFT of which you want to refresh. So for me it's this, so I'm going to click on it, and once it brings me over here, you can see the little circle icon right beside my NFT. It says refresh metadata. Once I click on it, my NFT's metadata will be refreshed. Once you get this little icon, it means it's done. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can refresh metadata on OpenSea. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.